Zik Analytics Honest Review? Watch before using. In this video, I'll be giving you an honest review of Zik Analytics, a tool designed primarily for eBay sellers who are looking to optimize their product research, track competitors, and boost their sales. Zik Analytics is made for anyone from beginners to experienced sellers who want to take their eBay business to the next level. It offers a range of powerful features that make it stand out, including product research, competitor analysis, and market trend insights, all designed to help you make data-driven decisions. Zik Analytics focuses on providing detailed insights into eBay product listings, helping you find profitable items to sell. Its product research tool allows you to analyze millions of products, showing you key metrics like sales volume, profit margins, and competition. This feature alone can save you hours of manual research and help you avoid products that aren't likely to succeed. You also get access to a competitor analysis feature, which allows you to track what other sellers in your niche are doing, revealing their best performing listings and strategies. This is a huge advantage for anyone looking to stay competitive on eBay. Another major feature is Zik Analytics market research tools. It analyzes eBay trends, showing you which products are currently in demand and which ones are trending. This helps you stay ahead of the curve by tapping into emerging product categories before they become oversaturated. For sellers looking to scale their eBay businesses, the tool also provides insights on pricing strategies, helping you set competitive yet profitable prices. On the downside, while Zik Analytics offers a lot of features, it's not entirely beginner-friendly. Some users might find the interface overwhelming at first, and while the platform offers tutorials, they could be more in-depth. Additionally, the pricing might seem a bit high for new sellers who are just starting. But for those who are serious about growing their eBay business, the investment can pay off quickly with the right strategy. In conclusion, Zik Analytics is a powerful tool with a lot of potential for eBay sellers, especially if you're focused on scaling your business with data-driven insights. While it may not be perfect for absolute beginners, it's a solid choice for anyone serious about e-commerce. If you want to save time on research and stay competitive, Zik Analytics is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching.